get the big pot out, my grandma would shout, I hear you wimp with a cough, we're gonna make medicine. 70% proof to clear that nasty mucus from your soul. Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh.
get 5 kilos of cranberries, 10 oranges, cinnamon, and cloves. We will boil it up as the aroma flows. Smell the goddamn air, the picture of health is everywhere.
Boil it up till it's nice and thick, stirring slowly will do the trick.
With a special touch, the rhythm and grace, this cough medicine will find its rightful place.
Oh, my grandmother would say, get the big strainer out to see if this motherfucker. Now get that nectar from the bees, that sweet tasting honey is nice and runny.
Pour it slowly into this brew
And let it stew as it's hot. Place into the sterilized jars and get the lids on. Place it in a hot bath to vacuum up that dead space and seal the stew.
Seal the stew,
This intoxicating brew.
intoxicating brew. Get 5 kilos for cranberries, 10 oranges, cinnamon, and cloves. We will boil it up as the aroma flows. Smell the goddamn air, the picture of health is everywhere. Oh.
The magic is done, no chemicals in sight.
Chemicals in sight,
A natural remedy passed down from my ancestors. No doctor, no pharmacy, just to hear the inexpensive melody of time and ingredients passed down by generations. This hillbilly moonshine will last a lifetime.